Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 1A Barony on Millgate in Cupar. This is a beautiful studio upper apartment situated within a gorgeous Georgian period property with many original features throughout, which you'll see in just a second. Your own additional workshop space as well as a large back garden. Now if this property does appeal to you, you can either message me directly or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. I'm also going to add the link to this video. But what I'm going to do is flip the camera. I'm going to show you this gorgeous property from the outside and then we'll start the tour inside. So this is the exterior of 1A Barony, a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Georgian period property, and you are the 3 windows across the top on the upper level which let in so much light, which you'll see for yourself once we get inside. So let's head through the main entrance and start the tour. So we come through into the entrance. Now as you can see, the original features, so you still have the ceiling rose and the really intricate cornice surrounding. Currently obviously getting restored and going through the restoration process. And then you come into your further entrance. Now you'll see stairs going down and we will come down to that because that's your additional workshop space, but we're going to head up to the apartment first. So let's head up the first set of stairs that spiral round. And actually I'm going to see if I can show you the intricate detail at the top because it's just beautiful. So we're just going to stand here. And just if you can see there, you have the really intricate details as well, which is just beautiful. But this is your property here, so let's head inside. So straight away we come into your entrance hallway. Now the great thing with this property is you do get ample storage as well, which I'm going to show you. So not only is it a studio apartment, but you do get plenty of storage. So 2 cupboards to the left here. And we're going to start with the bathroom because I want to save the best till last. So this is your generous sized shower room. As you can see, 3-piece shower room. And then we're going to head into this really generous sized living space. And straight away you can just see how bright it is. Isn't it just beautiful? With the big Georgian windows letting in plenty of light. So let me just show you it from another angle and then we can talk through the main features. Such a great space, really good size. So as you can see, further storage just in the corner there. And you'll obviously have seen the great main feature of the fireplace and the mantel. The big Georgian windows which go the full length, as you saw from the outside. The third one's just in the kitchen and we'll come to that. But you've got the shutters, which is just lovely. So peaceful as well. Once you've shut that front door, it's so peaceful in here. What you could actually do with this space is across on that green wall just over there, you could actually have, whether it be a second sofa that actually turns into a sofa bed. You could obviously make something within that space to create like a separate sleeping area. But again, you'll see surrounding the ceiling, the really intricate, beautiful cornice that you have there. Just lovely. And that surrounds. But isn't that such a great sized room? Just beautiful. You can just imagine sitting, whether you're sitting at the window or sitting on a sofa, or even if you was to put a chaise. So peaceful and really unwind at the end of the day. And then we're going to come along into the kitchen space. Again, really light because that big beautiful window, and really taking advantage of it with having the breakfast area just here, so you can just sit here in the morning and have your coffee and just watch the world go by. It's actually a lovely day today as well. But this is your kitchen space. Plenty of cupboard space that you can really utilise, but such a beautiful kitchen. So let's turn and let's just give you one last look at this amazing space. And you'll hear in the background my heels across the really solid, beautiful, dark wooden floors, which really complement actually the green wall. It's just beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet you downstairs at your additional workshop space. Okay, so we are downstairs at your additional workshop space. This is for 1A, so they're completely private and your own. But this is such a great addition, so much that you could actually utilise this room for. Such a great size, and then again, big beautiful window letting in plenty of light, and it's so peaceful down here. It's absolutely lovely. So whether you want to have an additional workspace and keep it out of the apartment, whether you make this a home office, a study, a workshop space, if you into arts, craft, music, but you've got additional storage on the back wall just there. And then you've got so much space to really make this work for you. Whether you want to have that, you've got quite a large area there. You could have a window seat, you could have your desk there to obviously look out. But it's such a lovely day today as well. The sun is actually breaking through and I'm sure it'll be beaming in shortly. But such a great space and a great addition on top of your apartment to just escape and come down here, shut yourself away. And then I'm going to head you into the back garden of the property. So then we head out here. And there we go, there's the sun beaming. But this is the exterior of your property. So let's head up here. So it's such a vast space and so much that you can actually do with this. It goes the full length with access down to the River Eden, and obviously you have beautiful walks along there. But such a great space, and actually when you're standing here, you are not overlooked at all. But it's such a great size, so much you could do with this. And then you have your property here, and you actually have patio area here that you could do seating with. You could fill it with shrubs, herbs, and then I'm sure in your section of the garden you could have, even if you wanted to grow your own fruit and veg, or again do further seating. But this in the summer would be such a sun trap to just sit here, and it's so peaceful as well. You can probably hear the birds in the background, but this is such a great addition, and you can really do so much and have this perfect for the summer. So there we go. So that was the personal property tour for 1A Barony on Millgate in Cupar. An absolutely beautiful studio upper apartment situated within this gorgeous B-listed Georgian period property with many original features and really intricate details both within the apartment and the property itself, which once fully restored will be absolutely beautiful. You have that additional workshop space as well, which is just a great addition, looking out onto this really large garden space. The sun's beaming behind the back of me, so you know come the summer it's going to be an absolute sun trap to just sit here, really peaceful and tranquil. Great location as well within Cupar. You've got everything on your doorstep, walking distance to all your local amenities, shops, restaurants, cafes. You've got your doctors, you've got your dentists. You've also got great commuting links here with the train station just a 30-second walk, bus routes connecting you all over Fife. You've also got the beautiful walk as well that you can access just at the bottom of your garden, straight onto the River Eden. So it really is a brilliant property. It's going to be coming to market with us for offers over 88,000. So if you're in a position to proceed, you can make our seller the offer that they cannot refuse before this goes to Rightmove, Zoopla and our own websites. Then please do message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.